Well, hey fellas, this is Rick Wilson, OAM Garage. I'm so glad you're here. We've had a few things go on since you've been gallivanting. Let's see here, what all has happened? Oh, what is tomorrow? Christmas Eve. Just letting you know about, what time it is. But anyway, we got a lot done. If you'll notice, I got my tires up front here, and I got thinking, I could probably push it. The problem is that the gear, that the pulley on the camshaft needs to, I noticed last time I didn't have enough headroom here. I'm gonna back up here a little bit. Had about, I don't know, that much wrapped around it, around the pulley, and I couldn't get it off because it was just vulcanized to the pulley. I'm talking about the belt. And so it was under the bottom part, so I got to thinking, if I pushed it in gear, like I said before, it would turn it. Well, then I got to thinking again, if I could fix that ground wire on there, I could bump it over. That would be a whole lot easier than pushing the car, huh? But I didn't know if the engine was locked up. So I put more goozle in it, more goozle in it, more goozle in it. And I'll be dogged if that thing the first time didn't bump around. So that's pretty cool, man. I'm really excited that my motor is not, hang on, listen to this. See if you're as excited about this as I am. That's turning healthy too. I'm loving it. Only thing I don't have to it right now is fuel. So in this particular episode, I'm not going to get to that because I spent this whole episode getting that belt off of that dead blame pulley. But I was able to, like I said, hook up the ground wire and get this thing moving. So I can't wait for you to see my alternator too. I'm probably giving away too much. But anyway, hey, let's get into this, fellers. That's old belt right there. Gotta get that out. Just get this off, I'll be able to put my alternator back on. Give her a spin. Yep, see that groove? That's what I'm talking about. that up a little bit. Fixing to surprise you. Did it move? Not much. If it did, let's see. Alright, well let's just stop right here a minute. While y'all were off gallivanting, little Ricky was working, okay? So what he did was he got him a new ground wire put in. If you look right here, that's where there was already a hole there, thank goodness. There's the one that's going over to the starter. Here's the new lug I put in with the new ground wire coming up to right here. Pull the positive off the starter. There it is right there, and guess what? That's right, it's turning over. So now I got to clean all the points and all that stuff, and we'll just see where we are. Okay, but first I got to get all that stuff off of that cam pulley. All right. What's that? That's so bad. I don't know. Just get a little bit out. I was hoping I'd be able to pull it out, but I don't know. It's got to put out strings. Try and get that coming. What do you do? Same place. Why ain't you turning? I know that thing just spinning. I can hear it. Click up you want to. I don't even know what that means. Come on. There's about 3 inches to go and I'll have it. Where'd you go? I know y'all saw it move that time. One more. Come on. Hey. I think that's it. clean. Yeah, I sure don't like to do that. Yeah. Well, I got a cheap belt. I'm gonna throw it on there anyway. But you know what? I don't have to do that. Start it though. But what are we going to do now? Let me tell you one thing I did do. See that shop light? Well, it's got an LED light in it, right? So what I did is I ordered me this is a power converter for my Milwaukee tools. All right, so that's a battery, and it changes it over to 110. It'll run that light right there for a couple of hours or more. So I don't have to have plugs out here or run a generator. I'm talking about just LED lights, because LED lights don't have much power at all. So if I want to just cut it off, and then I'm saving my battery. How about that? There's a good tip for the day. Make sure you use LED and not incandescent lights. It's an old trick that I started using for my pedals on my guitar. Not everywhere I go, it doesn't have 110 power, so I'll run all my pedals off of this thing. Got it right off of Amazon. Power converter. All right, then, let me see what I can do. Oh yeah, one thing I didn't, see I'm sweating. One thing I didn't tell you about, you saw on that last video that I did about me replacing the pulley on the front of that alternator. Well, I rebuilt it. So, not electrically, I just made it look pretty. And here it is.